Hi everyone, I'm Żaneta. Welcome back to my channel. It's Dragon Boat Festival today, long weekend holiday, so we used the chance to travel. We came to Taoyuan to Sanmin bed cave. There is car parking in front of the trail and a bus stop, so you can also take a public transportation to here. The trail is about 600 meters long. It takes about 15 minutes to walk to the bed cave. Walking along the trail, there are many trees shading the road, so it feels cool and comfortable. If you are tired, you can rest for a while on a wooden seat along the road. There is also a toilet at the beginning of the path. We also met one friendly pig here. Walking along the trail for about 450 meters, you can see the observation deck from which you can see mountains in the distance. The entrance of the cave is about 20 meters high, the inside of the cave is about 50 meters wide, and it's about 20 meters deep. The beds have migrated to other places one after another, but the cave landscape still attracts many tourists. There is a pool in front of the cave. The waterfall is about 50 meters high. It erodes down, forming a deep pool with a diameter of about 10 meters. Unfortunately, it's forbidden to swim here. It wasn't the case when we came here 5 years ago. It quickly gets dark here, it's just noontime, but not much sunlight. Also, the water is pretty cold. We stayed here for a while, just dipping our feet in the water and watching the view. We also wanted to visit the church nearby, but unlike 5 years ago, now it's all covered with fence, so can't visit. Here is the picture of it 5 years ago. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!